I heard from someone that one of your philosophy is once you master a dish, once you get it right, you're not going to do that anymore.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes.
Why?
If you really see all your creation as an art piece, and then every day you work on that painting, right? Or a sculpture or whatever, the day that is complete is the day that you stop. And you're not gonna forget it, you're just gonna finish it, you sign your name and you put it on the wall, and you say, I'm gonna start another painting. And for me, that's, you keep the best picture. You're not gonna work on the same painting all year long and then all your life for that one painting, right? Wow. You have a vision of how you want this painting to be, and the day that you finish it, you finish it. Yeah. And that's how you want it. And you know, even until today, after 10 years, we still have guests told me about how amazing the experience they were at Restaurant Andre in Singapore 10 years ago. And then that's great. Yeah, and then we can move on. We create a new experience and new memories for our guests.
Wow. In a sense, that means then your work is never done. Because when you're done, you go and do something else.
Yes.
Wow. So Jim, so in that sense, you could throw that saxophone away. I think I think you're done, right?
Get a flute.
Get a flute.
Yeah.
I mean, come on, right? I mean, you've been playing that thing forever. It's time to move on.
Yes, it's getting all kind of mildewy, and
yeah, I should get another one here.
You know, I get that feeling when I go to the gym. This is kind of embarrassing. I go to the gym. I can't stand those people that are in shape, that are like they're huge. And you know, I'm trying to in there, just trying to not get hurt. And I see them, I'm just like, you're done. You can go home now. You don't need to work out anymore.
Yeah, you're too perfect to be in the space.